Hi, my name is Edmund, the President of the Escoffier International Singapore Delegation. With me, which is Ms. Margaret Say, the Asian Director of USA Poultry and TETE Export Council. And then we are at the SHATEC Institutes, and it's a partnership with SHATEC as well as collaboration with USA Poultry and Export Council. And today, my cooking video and using the US duck breast. I would like Margaret to share with us about US duck breast.
Today I'm honored to be here in SHATEC and in collaboration with Escoffier to show you recipe duck that can be used and can be cooked in any size. Basic, roasted, stir fry,
So we start to introduce the ingredients. So let's go over here. This is the ingredients used for the beans casserole, which is a French recipe. What do you think?
It looks so good and delicious. It smells so good.
Yeah. So can we try?
Sure.
Cheers. Very spicy. Right.
Good.
Thank you. Thanks for the collaboration. We hope to have a future, more mutual collaboration, and then we make our association and USA Poultry and TETE Export Council continue growing.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
We will come. Don't worry. Thank you.